This is the best of Too Young to Learn All Scary Robots compilation. Watch till end.
Hey, Mayday, we have had a real ghost sighting and we have proof with the camera. Here I have a real ghost detector to actually detect ghosts, and that process will take in here where it's going to record that data and it's going to show in this radar. So let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm leaving the camera here because this is where some of the most creepiest thing happens, like in this hallway. So I'm leaving the camera here and see what we get. Today we're gonna prank my brother at 3 AM with Arduino, but in order to do that, we first need to get its sensor to detect the movement.
So then something that senses it is right here.
Because when somebody's walking by, this will pick it up and boom, this will happen.
I was not expecting that.
So let's wait it out.
Tej, I need to use the washroom.
Oh my god.
What time is it?
Let me check. It's 3:05 AM.
Does that mean it's 3 AM?
Sadly, yeah.
Oh, this is scary.
As you can see, it's actually dark inside. Oh my god, weird at 3 AM. Okay. Didn't even close the door. Let's do this, Pikachu. Why didn't you close the door? Why am I saying that? Oh my god. That was so worthless. How was that?
My heart stopped for a split second.
This is just getting old now. Shh. We can't let it.
Oh no. Hey, you wanna see a sick shot?
Oh yeah, sure.
Alright, now it's your turn. Oh my god! What was that?
Do you have a light source or a flashlight?
Wait, I have it in my pocket.
Who has a flashlight in their pocket?
Calm down, we gotta move.
Where do we go?
Firstly, since the power went out, we need to go to the fuse box to flip the switch. But to get there, we need to go from the top to the ground floor, and if we survive, we will finally reach the basement where we'll flip the switch.
Shh. We can't let it hear us. It's going.
Tej, something's pulling my shirt. Tej, help me!
Get out! Let's go!
Tej, come!
Oh no, we're cornered. I think the coast is clear. It's locked. Gotta use some force.
Come out, Summer.
It came from behind there. Let's go check it out.
No, Tej, don't! Check it out.
No, we gotta go quick, go. Let's go. Oh, we did it. Now we're doing that again.
Yep. Tej, there's something behind you.
Oh no.
Please like and subscribe, else this ghost will be in our house tonight.
So when you enter from here, the lights here, and this actually senses when a person is here, and it rings. And then the LEDs blink, and then it goes back to how it was. It keeps repeating the same process when somebody comes, it rings it.